Hi friends, this is Dr. Komal and welcome to KC Science Talks. Guys, in this video we'll discuss which material is best for CSIR-Net Life Sciences exam preparation. So guys, out of all the materials available in the market, Pathfinder is the best. You must have this material if you want to prepare for CSIR Life Sciences exam. And why I am saying so? Because this is my experience and also the experience of many of my friends and colleagues that this material is really helpful and necessary to clear this exam. Why this material is essential for CSIR-Net Life Sciences preparation? This material covers all the 13 units of CSIR Life Sciences syllabus. Okay. Though they have not covered all the topics of CSIR, but they have covered most of the important topics from the entire syllabus. Okay. So the point to be noted here that this material covers many important topics, but it is not sufficient for CSIR preparation. Why? Because many important topics are missing as well. Okay. Like they have not covered developmental biology very well, and many other topics are also missing. For that, I'll make other videos where I'll tell you where Pathfinder is enough or where you have to study standard books. One more good thing about this material is that they have given crisp information which makes it good for final revision. And also if you want an overview of a particular topic which is too lengthy to read from standard books, you can read it from Pathfinder. Like for example, photosynthesis, it's a long topic in standard books. But in Pathfinder, crisp information is given which doesn't require much time. Okay. And lastly, this material, it is a set of 2 books which you get from Amazon. Okay. It's very easy to carry also. Okay. You can keep it in your bag and just take it along to your college and read it whenever you get time. So guys, I hope you like this information. Please do subscribe and press bell for such videos. You can also connect with me on Instagram. I hope very soon your CSIR exam will be announced. So start preparing right away. Thank you so much for watching.